Yeah. All right, day 2. We are having a fun day at sea today. She's getting ready. Is this the only way we can get in here? Is it in here?
I'm gonna get that tomorrow. Just get a picture.
Yes. Got a burger over there. 12-hour French toast. Okay, so we just came back from breakfast, and I think I might have videoed what I got, but I got the French toast or whatever. But we're back in the room. It feels so good. The sun's out. It's beaming. Ooh, it's so pretty out here. I feel great. I've been sipping on some capriccios all morning, so I feel great. So cute. You guys, let me turn this around. A little outfit for breakfast. Is that mousy? So we're about to go to the pool. I think we're going to the Serenity Suite. So yeah, it's gonna be lit.
Early pickup or sale at 12 p.m. at the Trident Casino Bar, Deck 5, midship. Also coming up at 12 o'clock today is your hairy chest competition. That's right, I'm looking for the Chewbacca of the cruise. On the leader deck, that's deck 9 in the middle. If you got the hairiest man and you want to help him, come on down and join me. Once again, that is on the leader deck.
Harry came back from drinking a little bit, gave him a little drink, and we played some trivia. We just did the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air trivia. And look, they cleaned up our room a little bit, and we have a cute little elephant. That's so cute. I'm so excited. This is me now, you guys. Not much has changed. We're about to get into the pool though. Let's check out the view outside. Sorry, Nelly. Okay. This is the view right now. So beautiful. We had breakfast. We were drinking. We did some trivia. One of our friends has a suite. This is the bathroom in the suite. They were using it. Look, they actually have a whole tub. Look at the view, you guys. Oh my gosh, I can't get over it. I gotta be really careful. Holding my phone. I don't want to fucking prop it because as you can see, here's the edge. And then here is the view. So it's like it literally hit the life raft and goes straight into the water if you're not careful. Shit. Alright, so far on the ship, the best place to eat is Guy's Burgers. The burgers are so good. I tried so far the pizza part. Didn't have enough salt for me. Adobe Premiere Pro party.
Yeah. I'm like, damn, nigga, you ever see me? You know nothing.
Baby! Margarita, senorita. Anyone else want to drink?
It's getting a little bit breezy out here. I'm like 6 drinks deep. I had a few drinks at the free complimentary party that we went to. I think I had like 5 drinks, you guys. And then the last drink I had, I like spilled the whole entire thing. Which is kind of sad. I didn't end up going to the pool tomorrow, but tomorrow morning we'll be in Bahamas, so we'll see you in Bahamas Beach tomorrow.